Alright guys, a quick crypto market update. As you can see, just a few hours ago, it has break the 20,000 mark. We already go down to $19,000 per Bitcoin. And if you are running futures position, guys, you should already cut loss here, or you should probably take profit in here for your long positions, or in here as what I've told you in the private training. Okay, so this is where the overbought area. This is where you want to take profit for your long position, single run it or cut loss date, whatever you want. So now what's going to happen? As I predicted, okay, 4 days ago, I do think that Bitcoin is going to go down to, in the 12,000 mark. Okay, so what I'm doing now is that I'm preparing funds. Okay, I'm accumulating money, cash, because now is the time to buy a crypto at a discounted price. Okay, if you believe in crypto in the long term, if you don't believe it, you can put your money under the bed. But again, this is not a financial advice. You do whatever you want with your money. I just want to share what my opinion is, and what I'm going to do personally is that I'm waiting. Okay, I'm just waiting for the market to go down even lower, probably in the 13,000, 12,000 range. This is where I'm gonna put in more cash buying Bitcoin. Okay, basically double the amount that I put in here. Okay, already bought some Bitcoin in my spot wallet. Okay, my Binance spot wallet. So I just wanna wait the price to go even cheaper. Okay, then I will literally double. Okay, I 2x. Let's say I put 1,000 here, I will put 2,000 here to buy Bitcoin at this price. Okay, that's what I personally would do, because I'm going to do averaging, and my average price is probably around here. So when the market bounces a little bit, I already take profit. Okay, already making profit. But in the long term, guys, I will always, save my money into Bitcoin, because, US dollar is just going to collapse in the future. So I do believe in Bitcoin, and a lot of people also believe in the blockchain technology. So in the meantime, what do I do? What should you do? Well, do nothing. Okay, if you're playing futures, probably focus on short positions. Okay, you wait until it goes up here, until the RSI go to overbought area, then you can open a short positions. Okay, for accumulating money, guys, you can go to my other channel. Okay, in my other channel, I teach you how to make money creating a YouTube channel, making videos. You can teach people how to cook. You can teach people how to work out. You can teach people about crypto as well if you want to. You can make money as well. 1,000 a month is not bad, right? Having a YouTube channel. And YouTube channel is not just a channel, guys. It's a business. Okay, it's a business. If you see other influencer, they all create a YouTube channel. Why don't you create a YouTube channel as well? Okay, so there's nothing to hide here. I think this is the best, okay, the best with zero risk. Zero risk, guys. Creating a YouTube channel has zero risk. You're not wasting any money. Okay, it's free. If you upload video into YouTube, it's free. Making video is free. You probably already have a phone, and just make a video, guys. Okay, and if you have a YouTube channel, you can also promote products, get sponsorship. I'm gonna show you a software that I'm promoting here. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you make videos, guys, you can promote Amazon products. You can promote any product in your channels. You can promote Shopee product, whatever product you want to promote, guys. So having a YouTube channel is amazing. Okay, you can make passive income on the side. You can see here, this is one of the software that I'm promoting on my Eddie Chandra channel. So in this channel, I promote a software, text-to-speech software, and I make $1,000 every month, which is awesome, right? And in the old time, I'll show you this software already make me actually $4,500 already. Okay, this one plus this one already $4,500 from just one product, guys. Okay, I'm promoting 20 different products across my other YouTube channels, and you can make passive income, and that's amazing, which is have literally very, 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 very low risk compared to crypto. If you are playing crypto, you just put a few percentage of your portfolio, right? You're just playing around with it. But with this, you know, you can make full-time income, you can enjoy your life. I personally don't know how much money you need to pay for your expenses. For me, I only need $500 to pay for my monthly expenses. So the other money I just invested. Okay, all the income from my channel, from affiliate program that I'm promoting, I just put it into, you know, investing in crypto. Maybe 20%, 10%, 20% I play with bots. The rest I put in Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, and a little bit into Ethereum as well. So those are my main focus, guys, right now. Okay, as for now, I'm just waiting, okay, and just watching the market every day. I just watch it once per day, okay, maybe every night or every morning. So, you know, I don't want this to affect you, okay? I don't want this kind of thing affect your business, affect your income producing activity. So just keep a watch on it, okay? Maybe once a day, twice a day is okay. You know, just wait for the market to go down even cheaper. I mean, now it's okay to buy some Bitcoin, accumulate some Bitcoin, because this is quite a cheap price already for a Bitcoin, a fair price, I would say. One Bitcoin, $20,000, which is a fair price, guys. If you were to compare, okay, if you were to compare back in November, one Bitcoin is $68,000, guys, which is expensive, right? Which is way, way too high. Now it's 72% discount. Okay, 72% discount. I think this is already a great time to start accumulating Bitcoin. You know, we don't even know if it will go down to $12,000. Maybe, you know, $13,000, $14,000 or $15,000 it goes down and then a bottom already, and then it will bounce back up. So we really don't know yet. This is a great time to start accumulating now, because it's already at a major support here. The next major support is obviously around this line, okay, $12,000. Okay, this is the next major support, $13,000, $12,000, $14,000. So it's around this range, and I'm just waiting. Okay, I'm just waiting, save some money, waiting, and later I will put even more money down here. Hopefully this video kind of helped you guys, you know, on what I'm doing personally. So, you know, I don't want to hide anything, guys. If you see, like, most YouTubers, they don't even tell you what to do. You know, I tell you exactly what I'm doing, and it's up to you if you want to follow or not. But I tell you, this is those people who are making money. This is exactly what they are doing. This is their exact strategy, is to build followings. Okay, in the future, think about it. 10 years later, okay, 5-10 years later, if you have 10,000 subscribers, you know, you can get access to a crypto project or something. You know, there's a great opportunity out there waiting for you if you have a followings. Okay, guys, again, you can head on to my other channel to learn about how to create YouTube channel and start making money for free.